What's up, mobile gamers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on new mobile gaming tricks, hacks, and how-to guides. Today I'm showing you an easy method to grab unlimited diamonds and gold in Stormshot Isle of Adventure mobile game. No computer needed, no weird programs, and no rooting or jailbreaking involved. I tested it myself and saw the resources pop up in my account in no time. It's super simple and I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's get right to it. Alright, first thing you'll need is your player ID from Stormshot Isle of Adventure. Don't skip this. It's key to make the whole thing work. Just open the Stormshot Isle of Adventure app, tap your profile, and look for your player ID. It's usually a string of numbers. Jot it down or snap a screenshot so you've got it handy. Ready? Cool. Let's go to the next part. Next up, open your phone's browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you use, and head over to the site I'll be using today. This site's packed with hack tools for popular mobile games, and it's where the magic happens. Just type Stormshot Isle of Adventure in the search bar and click on the generator link. So far, so good. Let's move to the next step. Once you're on the generator page, you'll see a short form to fill out. Pick your device, iOS or Android, and then paste in your player ID. Double check to make sure everything's correct and tap Connect. The tool will hook up to your game account. Give it a few seconds to do its thing, and don't worry, everything runs through encrypted servers with proxies, so it's all safe and secure. After the connection is set up, you'll see options for how much resources you want to add. Pick the amount that works for you, hit Generate, and let the system do the heavy lifting. Behind the scenes, it's bouncing through servers, masking traffic, and syncing data. All you need to do is wait for it to finish. Almost there. Before the resources drop into your account, there's a short verification to confirm you're a real person. It usually just asks you to download a free app from the App Store or Play Store and complete a super simple task like opening the app and using it for a minute. Need help? There's usually a guide video right on the page to walk you through it. Once that's done, the resources will be ready for you, and you're all set. Your resources should now be in your account. I already tried this earlier, so I won't run it again, but as you can see, the resources are real. No tricks, no grind, no extra costs. Now I can just kick back and play without worrying about running out. And there you have it, a full walkthrough on how to load up on unlimited diamonds and gold in Stormshot Isle of Adventure. If this helped you out, hit that like button and share it with your gaming crew. Got stuck at any step? Drop a comment down below. I check them often, and I'll try to help out where I can. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next hack, tip, or mobile game tutorial. Thanks for watching, have fun out there, and I'll catch you in the next gaming video.